Hello, everyone. Nadeem here with PCSN. I'm working at a customer site today, but I wanted to make a quick video while I wait on some things. You'll hear some background noise, but it's a workshop, so hey. Today I want to talk real quick about how I get this question from customers and people out there. How do we go about troubleshooting issues on a computer? Where do we start? So if you have a problem on your home machine or somewhere and you want to start at a certain spot, like maybe some application's not working or something's going on, maybe an application crashed and you don't know why it crashed or why it closed down on you, the first place that you want to start looking at things is the event viewer. So let me show you what I mean. I've got the event viewer here. Let me show you on the screen. So in the event viewer, now of course what you can do is you can just click on start. It's going to be in the control panel, or when you click on start, just start typing in EVENT. The first hit should be event viewer. So we're going to drill down over here. We're going to go into the Windows logs, and there are a few important logs that you need to look at. If your application is crashing or system is behaving abnormally, crashing stuff, you want to look in system. So right now there's a warning. So warnings, you're going to see a bunch of them. You might even see some errors. So this is a good place to start in the system log. Now you can filter it out, like I like to filter it out and just show me errors and critical things, right? So if I hit OK, now these are all the errors and critical things. So like over here, at 6:59 a.m., the touchpad driver failed. And that's when the machine came out of hibernation. So that's to be expected because the machine was hibernating and there was no power. It reduces power. But you can see several things, some timeouts, which are normal. But you want to, once you find out an error that pertains to the application crashing, which I don't have any on this machine. What you want to do is you want to dig into the event ID, and you can use your favorite search engine to find out what's happening. You can do a search on that event, and it will tell you what are the causes, what happens. This is if you have, for example, if your hard drive or SSD drive is having issues and it's going bad, you're going to see event entries in here. Now, if it's application specific, then you want to look in the application log, and you can see there are several errors in here, and this is just the panel, which is the screen when it came out of hibernation. So that's fine, that's normal. It actually went to sleep right here. It shut the machine down and it threw that error on there. But you're going to see a bunch of errors. You can sort them out, just show errors or just show warnings. Now, so these are good log files to help you with troubleshooting issues. Now, one of the important log files also is the security log. The reason the security log is important and why we monitor it for monitored, protected, machines that are in our contract, we monitor the security log because we want to look for invalid login attempts. So failed login attempts is what we're looking for, because that tells us that somebody's trying to log in either with the wrong password or somebody's just trying to log in over and over trying to guess the password. And that's why it's so important for security, from a security perspective, to review your security log on a routine basis. And we have a system where it will automatically alert us when it detects certain types of events in the security log. And that's how we get alerted that, hey, server so-and-so, somebody from certain IP address tried to log in, 20 times within 1 minute. That's a red flag. So there's a couple of things we can do about that. One is if they try to log in, is the password policy set to where the account gets locked after so many invalid attempts. Secondly, what IP is it, and can we just block that IP or block that entire subnet? There's a lot of things that we do on the back end to keep servers and systems secure that are in contract. So that's a good place to start. Start there in the event log. It will tell you a lot of information. Sometimes it's too much information, and that's why we have an out-of-band system that will collect the logs filter it out to what we want to see per our rules and processes and procedures, and then alert a human to if human intervention is needed. So this was just real quick video. Every Windows machine has the event log, so it doesn't matter if you're on a workstation, a server, all machines have event logs. And this has been from like Windows 3.1 days, right? We've always had event logs, but not a lot of people think about going to the event log when there are some issues with their system. So if your home machine has some issue, applications crashing, machine not running well, looking in the event log is a good place to start. So until tomorrow, everybody, have a good day and be safe.